Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Students, today is day number 2 of mathematics most important question series class 5 DAV Public School. This session is very important for your periodic test too, also important for your annual exam 2024-25. So let us start the session. If you not see the first session, then you can see by click on I button or go to the playlist. If you are new in my channel, then you can subscribe my channel for more update. So today we solve the chapter simple interest important questions, and the only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. So practice more and more questions, then you are strong in mathematics. So first question number 1. Write the formula for the simple interest. Okay, so simple interest formula is SI equal to P into T into R divided by 100. Okay, what is P? Now P means principal, okay, and R means rate of interest, then T is the time period, okay, and always remember time is always written in the year and the rate of interest always written in per annum, okay, 10% per annum, understand? And SI is the simple interest, then A is the amount. So what is P? Now P means the amount which is borrow or deposit or loan is called principal. Rate of interest means which rate the the deposit will be increased, that known as rate of interest. And the T is the time period, how many period of the money will be deposit, this is called time period. Interest means the extra amount paid by bank is called interest. Amount means total principal plus interest is called amount. Understand? Now coming to the next question, question number 2. If the principal is given, that is 2000, time equal to 5 year, R equal to 10%, find interest and amount. Also remember there are two types of interest are there. One is simple interest, another is compound interest. In 8th class you learn about compound interest. Okay, so now find out. Write down P equal to 2000 rupees, R equal to 10% per annum, time period equal to 5 year. Okay, now find the simple interest. So simple interest formula is P into T into R divided by 100. Now P equal to 2000 into 5 into 10 divided by 100. So 0000 cancel. So 5 2 are 10, 00, that is 1000 rupees. Now find the amount. What is the formula for the amount? P plus SI. So P how much? 2000 plus 1000 equal to 3000. Means if you deposit 2000 in your bank, if the bank gives 10% interest rate and for the 5 year, means तुम यदि 5 वर्ष पर जीवो तुम अकाउंट रे केते जीवो 3000 रुपीज. ओके, तो एक्स्ट्रा केते हला ना 1000. दिस एक्स्ट्रा अमाउंट इज नोन एज इंटरेस्ट. ओके, ये को टाइप रो इंटरेस्ट? एटा होजी सिंपल इंटरेस्ट. अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. If principal given, time given, sorry, R equal to suppose 5% per annum and time equal to 6 months. 6 months. How to solve? Now first write down P given, okay, T equal to 6 months. Okay, how to convert month into year? Now we know that 1 year 12 month, then 1 month 1 by 12 month. So 6 months 6 by 12. If the month is given only divided with 12, then you get year. Okay, so this is 1 by 2 year, means time is given 1 by 2 year, and R equal to 5%. Okay, principal 2500. Find the SI. So SI formula is PTR by 100. Now write the P, that is 2500 into T equal to 1 by 2 into R equal to 5 divided by 100. Okay, now 0 0 cancel. Now 25 5 ja 125 divided by 2 equal to 2 6 ja 12. Okay, 2 6 ja 12, 2 2 ja 4, 1.25 ja 10, means 62 rupees 50 paisa. Okay, now next question. If SI equal to 1000, amount equal to 4500 rupees, find the principal. Okay, we know that amount equal to P plus SI, yes or no? Similarly, you can write P equal to A minus SI, yes or no? Now P formula is A minus SI, that is 4500 minus 1000 equal to 3500. Okay, so principal equal to 3500. Understand? So completed. यदि वीडियो पसंद लगे वीडियो को लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करिवो, चैनल जदि न्यू अच्छो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करी बेल आइकन को क्लिक कर दियो, जब भी वीडियो अपलोड करी फर्स्ट तुमको नोटिफिकेशन शो करिवो. ओके, फॉर मोर पीडीएफ देन यू कैन जॉइन माय व्हाट्सएप और टेलीग्राम ग्रुप, लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. ओके, यदि किसी डाउट थिबो देन मने मेसेज करि परिबो. ओके, थैंक यू.